2023 paper 2 question 12 at 3 marks. We want to simplify this algebraic fraction. The first thing we want to do to simplify this is factorise the numerator and the denominator. Have a go at this have a go at this question if you want, but your opportunity to pause the video is now because I'm going to continue. So let's start with the numerator. X squared minus 16. There's no common factor and we have two terms, so it's not a trinomial. So do we have a difference of two squares? You can write this as x squared minus 4 squared. And you know that if x squared minus a squared, you get x minus a, x plus a. So we have a is 4, so we can change a for 4. We then put x minus 4, x plus 4, like this. The second one, the denominator, is x squared plus x minus 20. There's no common factors and we don't have the difference of two squares, but we do have a trinomial. We've got an x squared term, we've got an x, and we've got a term independent of x. So what this means is we need to find, and we notice this because the coefficient of x squared is 1. There's no number in front of it. Well, there technically is a 1 in front of it, but you don't write 1x squared, so the coefficient here is 1. So the idea is you need two numbers that add to make 1 and multiply to make minus 20. So let's write down as many as we can think of. They have to add to make 1. Well, this adds to make minus 19, so nope. If you have a think, you don't have to write all of these down, because if you think 4 and 5 multiplied make 20, but one has to be positive and one negative. Adding these is minus 1, so nope. But we could put x or minus 4 and 5. They add to make 1. We then have minus 4 and 5. So we then want to put x minus 4. So you do x plus this in one bracket, x plus this in the other, giving us x minus 4, then x plus 5. Then we can rewrite the initial fraction so x minus 4, x plus 4 then it's going to be x minus 4, x plus 5. Got the x minus 4 on the numerator and the denominator, so it's a common factor. We can take them out, and we're left with x plus 4 divided by x plus 5, which we cannot simplify any further. So the final answer would be x plus 4, x plus 5. You cannot cancel out the x's because it's addition. If you look at this, the x minus 4 was multiplying on both the numerator and the denominator. So they can be cancelled out. But we have addition on the numerator and addition on the denominator. So you can't cancel out the x's that are being added. So some pupils would write 4 over 5, which would be wrong. If you had 4x, which is x times 4, over 5x, which is x times 5, then you could cancel out the x's. Let's have a look at how the SQA would mark this question. First mark would be for this, second mark would be for this, and the third mark would be for factorising. For factorising and cancelling out the x minus 4. And as I said, this was a very common mistake, that it was by far the most common incorrect answer, was that, where people cancel out the x's on both the top and the bottom. So thank you for watching, and best of luck with the studying. I'll leave this up for a few more seconds.